How to shop in Kindle store. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can shop and even buy books from Kindle. First of all, open the application. Now here, you can select any of the book available. Here I'm tapping on one. Now double tap on it. Here on the right top, you can see this three dot icon. Simply tap on this three dot icon. Here on the right hand side, you'll be able to see shop in Kindle store. Simply tap on shop in Kindle store. So this is the Kindle store available. Now here you can directly search for books and even directly buy them. Here there are the description and here there are different costings too. So you can select them and you can buy it. So you can add your payments and directly buy it from this too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.